All right, welcome to day 29 of 100 Days of Startup, where I, Rod Danan, am building Prentus, where we match tech startups with skill tech interns in 7 days or less. And if you are a bootcamp grad, make sure to join our community at prentus.co/community for networking projects and a good old time. So today, Monday. Monday is my favorite day because you get to figure out what you're gonna do this week and get done. So started off the day and had to deal with some personal stuff, so kind of lost my morning. But came back after a good gym sesh, lunch, and got back to work in the afternoon, and it was productive. I was kind of nonstop today, and I love those days. So started with just sharing some announcements in the Discord community, talking about stand ups, the events we got coming up, the project that we got going on, and also just announcing official launch date of October 14th for our new platform, or not new platform, but relaunch of Prentus. So it's still going to be a bubble, and the separate Prentus platform will still be built, and we'll talk about that in a second. But big time because it means we're going to go after customers again and start doing internship matching, which means more careers, and that's what I love. So after posting about that, next was posting about trying to get some paid mentors for the people working on the project. So right now, on the back end team, they ask me questions, and the front end team asks me questions, and I only know kind of the product manager perspective from my last startup, but in terms of actually technical stuff, they have questions that I can't answer, and I want to make sure that they build correctly, but also learn from it. So a paid mentor. So I want to get three, and just have each one work an hour a week, and that'll really help with the project, making sure that everyone gets their questions answered and then they get the actual experience they need. So I am looking for that. If anyone knows anyone, let me know. But otherwise, I might have people already. So we'll see how that goes. But I posted on LinkedIn, Twitter, try to write it out nicely, and a couple other places. So we'll see who answers. Then after that, I had to catch up on social media content planning because I didn't do that yesterday, which I usually do on Sundays. So just involving usual creating graphics in Canva and posting about the event that we got on Wednesday with Jason Rydell. So really hyped for that, and also he's helping me out with some user research, so that's really nice. And then after scheduling and posting that, I actually I had Thinkful like I always do on Mondays, but it was pretty busy today, so it was 3 hours, and I wasn't able to work on other things in the middle. I was in a hour long meeting with the team leads though from the Prentice project, and with the team lead meeting, I really like it. Matt set it up, and it's with lead front end, lead back end, lead designer, just for everyone to kind of align on things and make sure that we're on a certain timeline, and just talk it out. So I think it was really good for clarification purposes on everyone's sides, and also Matt did a great job of setting it up, having an agenda, and he's taking a load off of my shoulders. That's for sure. I'm way more relaxed knowing that he's on the case and talking to everyone. So he has a really good grip on things, and it makes my life easier so I can focus on marketing and other product stuff. So that was what I did during the shift. But after the shift, ate dinner and then came back, and I guess one other thing to mention is you can't with one of our designers dropped out basically. So someone I kind of expected to drop out for the past couple weeks, and we kind of were grooming someone else to hop in under and take her project on. But still, I wanted to keep her on board. It would have been nice to have her ideas and also to have the extra help on the design side, which moves the product forward quicker. But things happen, and it's kind of expected. So moving on with four designers now, and yeah, so it should be good on that end. And when we need more developers, we'll get to that. Then I had a late interview, so at 7:30 with a candidate. It was good. I do have four more interviews this week with candidates, and then there's two from last week that are still open ended whether we're going to stage two. So still a lot of fluctuation in terms of what's going to happen on the sales front, but I'm really excited. I think I'm getting close to getting someone for sales, and that's going to be awesome because it means a lot of internships and connections. Then yeah, I ended the day just cleaning up the mailbox, LinkedIn, Twitter, everything else. I kind of put it off towards the end of the day, wanted to make sure I was focused on everything else first. And I've been liking it. Keeps me focused and more productive. So I think I'm going to keep doing this and, just clean up at the end of the day. But otherwise, great Monday. And tomorrow's day 30. So look out for a post from me on LinkedIn. Talk to you later, guys.